this video we're unboxing new DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the creator combo, showing you exactly what you get inside of this box. Let's get started. I've been using my iPhone to film my travel videos, but it is time to optimize my workflow and invest in higher performance technology. I was actually thinking of buying a Sony camera, but then the new Pocket 4 came out and I thought I'll give it a go, since I've been using the DJI drones for years now, as well as the microphones, but most importantly of how small and compact the camera is, that you can actually fit it into your pocket. And the best camera is the one that is with you. So let's unbox this baby. I got the camera in this creator combo, which comes with some additional accessories. On top of that, I did get some extras as well, like the super fast micro SD, battery handle and ND filters, which I'm gonna do a separate video on that. So let's go ahead and get started unboxing the creator combo first. Camera pouch, which comes handy to carry your camera around with you. So as you open it, there is some additional pocket there, and you can store your SD cards, cables, microphone, ND filters. So that's also always handy to have on you. So I'm sure you can make great use of it, just to protect your camera and carry it around. So let's open it up now, the big one. That's where all the goods are, nice and sturdy. So that's looking a lot bigger, so that's where you can store all your accessories with you. So we got some microphone moves, here it is, the small DJI mic, some magnet and clips, that's the light, that's the additional battery handle, tripod, let's see what else we got, and that's the wide lens that you stick on the camera to make it wider, some USBs, cables, and your wrist strap. That's the charger for the mic, where you can charge your microphone as well as to transfer audio data. And that's the Osmo Pocket 4. How cool, can't wait to open it up. So let's start with the accessories. Some USB-C wire for data transfer. Now you can transfer your audio files at 800 megabits per second, which is 5 to 10 times faster than previous Pocket 3, which makes it really cool. Mini tripod. It is super small and convenient when filming out and about. You can set that somewhere, and that's allowing you to have your camera filming you, making sure that it's steady. This is the base with the mount to screw in the tripod. Additionally, I got an extra battery, which is also the same handle, which extends your pocket camera. And here it is, the microphone, much smaller than the previous mics I've used from DJI. And if you do have the previous mics, they're also compatible, so there is no need for you to get the new one unless you really want to, like I did. So they come with magnets and those clips that you can attach it to your clothing. Also there is a little charger where you can charge your mic and transfer those audio files. And you also got those wind muffs, one black, one silver. We also got the light which comes on the top of your camera, so that's also like a magnetic thing that gets stuck on, so that's gonna be helpful when filming in low light and indoors. But I'm gonna do another video on that and all the accessories, and that's also gonna work well with the CMOS sensor, which is gonna perform a lot better in low light. So you get that combo, sensor plus the light, which is gonna make a huge difference. Here is your wide angle filter, that's a 15mm. You can also get that attached to your camera's lens magnetically, so it just gets stuck on. Same for the ND filters. And I was gonna say that if you got your Pocket 3 ND filters, they're the same size, so no need for an upgrade. You can use the same ones on your new Pocket 4. Just look at that, how small the camera is. No wonder it's called the Pocket camera, as it can easily fit into your pocket, and that's the whole reason I got it, so I can always have it handy. I really like the design, how it feels in my hand, and the camera weighs only 190 grams. We also got this gimbal protector, which I think it's super cool to have, so you don't damage your gimbal. Now the bottom of this camera, you got the USB-C for charging and data transfer, a micro SD card slot for up to 1 terabyte. Additionally, camera now has 107 gigabytes built-in storage, as I said earlier. In the Pocket 4 they made these new buttons for zoom and custom commands. For example, you can set it up for a single press of the button to rotate the gimbal, double or triple for other features, which is so handy. You don't have to go into the menu and do it manually, you just do it right there at the spot. So I did go with a card recommended on the website ads that's gonna allow you to write and read your files a lot quicker. For any new technology, you want to make sure that those cards are upgraded. I am going to make a separate video where I can actually test those features, so if you got any questions, just comment down below so I'll be able to answer it for you in the next one. And if you did find the video useful, at least in some degree, give us a like, this way I can reach a broader audience with it. And thanks very much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Peace.